Today I will discuss an interesting thoughts of ancient India, that is role of the tantric chakras on Ayurveda and Yoga. Introduction. Human body is a combination of various mechanisms, means machineries are there. This is called Jantra Sharira according to Ayurveda. When an individual suffers from any disease, physician corrects the doshas from its abnormal condition and sites or assures considering pathological abnormalities according to physiological functioning and anatomical structures of the body. So, Jantra Sharira is important to an Ayurvedist. On the other hand, Tantra Sharira is very important to a Tantric yogi. Tantra Shastra is an applied science where some yogic chakras and mudras are practiced for well-being of health and mind. But the ultimate goal of the tantric yogis is to reach the condition of salvation or moksha. According to Tantra Shastra, there are 6 chakras or circle means wheel. The whole body is based on these chakras. The condition is known as Kundalini Shakti. The term Kundalini means coil. According to Tantric yogis, Kundalini Shakti is inactive condition sits on the sacrum as sleeping serpent like a coil. Chakra is a symbol of motion. Man moves towards ultimate goal of life, salvation or moksha through bringing on senses, the chakras or energies centers. Each chakra is presented by a symbol of lotus flower with definite number of petals. The chakras are constituted with some nadis or nerves. One can inspire or raise Kundalini Shakti means cosmic power by stimulating these nerves stimulated in the chakras through practicing of Tantric Yoga. There is a controversy according to numbers of nadis. The principal nadis are 3, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Each and every group of yogis unanimously recognizes these 3 nadis. Some yogis enriched these numbers into 10, considering the petals situated in the chakras and according to them. The nadis are Iya, Pingala, Susanma, Hastijibba, Pushpa, Jasashini, Avarambusa, Gandhasa, Nari, or petals of lotus flower of the chakras into 14, and according to them, nadis are as follows: Iya, Pingala, Susanma, Gandhari, Hastijibba, Kuhu, Saraswati, Pusha, Sankhini, Vaishini, Varuna, Arambusha, Shikodhari, and Jasashini. In this way, some yogis increase the number of the nadis into 72,000, and some other group of yogis increase into 3,50,000. It should be mentioned that nadis always represent the petals of lotus flower situated in the chakra. The picture of Nadi chakra is presented herewith for easy understanding of these sorts of chakras and their functioning. Number 1, Muladhara chakra, pelvic plexus, coccygeal ganglion site. It is situated in the region of reproductive system, linga or yoni. Thus, the chakra is constituted by 4 dollars or petals. Dollars and their association with Akshara or syllable. Number 1, inferior hemorrhoidal plexus, bow. Number 2, vertical plexus, talibosa. Number 3, prostatic plexus in Murdhanasa. It is prostatic or vaginal plexus. Number 4, uterine plexus, Dantasa. Panchavatik tattva, Pithi or art, Guna or attribute, Gandha or smell, Tattvabija, La, Bija, Bahana, Oirabat, elephant, Bija, Devata, Lord Brahma, God of creation or anabolism, Bija Shakti, Dakini, Bijajantra, Chatushkon, rectangle, ज्ञानेन्द्रिय सेंस organ, चक्षु eye, कर्मेंद्रिय functional organ, guda anus, functioning of Muladhara chakra controls our excretory system and responsible for wisdom and innocence of yogi who are in gross level. From the Ayurvedic point of view, Muladhara and Svadhisthana chakra are the source of Apan Vayu. Dysfunctioning Muladhara chakra when becomes abnormal, it produces anorectal, reproductive and disorder due to Apan Vayu. Remedy practice of Bhastrika Pranayama may be useful in this condition. Number 2. Svadhisthana chakra, hypogastric or aortic plexus site. It is situated in abdominal region. Dala, it is constituted by 6 dalas. Dalas and their situation with akshara or syllable. Number 1. Suprametric plexus, Ba. Number 2. Left colic plexus, Bha. Number 3. Sigmoid plexus, Ma. Number 4. Superior hemorrhoidal plexus, Ja. Number 5. Inferior mesenteric plexus, Ra. Number 6. Hypogastric plexus, Ra. Panchavati tattva, Jala means water, Guna or attribute, Rasa or taste, Tattva Bang, Ba Anusar, Bang, Bija Vahana, Makar, Capricorn, Bija Devata, Lord Vishnu, God of sustaining our metabolism, Bija Shakti, Rakini, Bija Jantra, gold, round, Gyanendriya sense organ, Rasana, tongue, Karmendriya functional organ, Linga or Joni. Functioning of Svadhisthana chakra. Svadhisthana chakra is responsible for creativity and source of pure knowledge. Functions of kidney, adrenal glands, lower part of liver, pancreas, spleen and intestine are controlled by Svadhisthana chakra. Muladhara and Svadhisthana chakras are the source of Apan Vayu. Dysfunctioning Svadhisthana chakra when becomes abnormal, it produces dysfunctioning of kidney, adrenal gland, lower part of liver, pancreas, spleen and intestine, and also causes disorders due to mutation of upon Vayu. Remedy, practice of Bhastrika Pranayam may be useful in this condition. Number 3, Manipur Chakra, solar plexus, site. It is situated in the umbilical region. Dala, it is constituted by 10 dalas. Dalas and their situations with akshara or syllable. Number 1, phrenic plexus, draw. Number 2, hepatic plexus, dha. Number 3, splitting plexus, murdhanana. Number 4, superior gastric plexus, ta. Number 5, suprarenal plexus, tha. Renal plexus. Number 6, renal plexus, da. Number 7, suprametic or ovarian plexus, dha. Number 8, superior mesenteric plexus, dantana. Pancreatic plexus, pa. Colic plexus, pha. Panchabhatik tattva, agni, fire or light. Guna or attribute, rupa means color. Tattvija, wrong. Bijavahana, Mesha, ram, sheep. Bijadevata, Lord Rudra, god of destruction or catabolism. Bija Shakti, line, Bijatantra, Trikona, triangular. Gyanendriya, sense organ, chakshu, eye. Karmendriya, functional organ, pada, leg. Functioning of Manipur Chakra. Manipur Chakra is responsible for satisfaction. Functions of liver, stomach, intestine are controlled by Manipur Chakra. Manipur Chakra is the place of Udan and Samanvayu. This chakra is responsible for functions of alimentary tract. Dysfunctioning Manipur Chakra when becomes abnormal, it produces dysfunctions of liver, stomach, and intestine and alimentary tract. Diseases due to vitiated Udan and Samanvayu are caused in this chakra when it becomes vitiated. Number 4, Anahata Chakra, cardiac plexus, site, hridaya, cardiovascular region, dala. Anahata Chakra is constituted by 12 dalas. Dalas and their succession with akshara or syllable. Number 1, right deep cardiac plexus, ka. Number 2, left deep cardiac plexus, kha. Number 3, anterior pulmonary plexus, go. Number 4, posterior pulmonary plexus, gha. Number 5, superficial cardiac plexus, uma. Number 6, cardiac ganglion, cha. Number 7, right coronary plexus, cha. Number 8, ventricular plexus, burgoja. Number 9, left coronary plexus, jha. Number 10, endocardiac plexus, uma, anya. Number 11, myocardiac plexus, ta. Number 12, bladder ganglia, Vishuddha chakra, cervical plexus, sat, contra throat, dala. Vishuddha chakra is constituted by 16 dalas. Dalas and their situations with akshara or syllabus. Supracervical plexus, O. Number 2, carotid plexus, A. Cabermas plexus, Rashoy. Extracervical plexus, Dirgoy. Pharyngeal plexus, Rasho. Laryngeal plexus, Dirgo. Superficial cardiac plexus, Re. Extracardiac plexus, Re. Supermedial and inferior cervical plexus, Li. Extramedial cervical plexus, Re. Thyroid plexus, A. Middle cardiac plexus, Oi. Superficial inferior cervical plexus, O. Subclavian plexus, O. Inferior cardiac plexus, Ong. Vertical plexus, Panchabhautic Tattva, Akash. Space, Gunor attribute, Shabda, Chavan, Tattvavid, Hang, Bijavahana, Hasti, elephant, Bijadevata, Lord Rudra or Sabashiva, Bijashakti, Shakini, Bijadantra, Shunna, Golaka, spherical or circular, Janandya, Santargan, Karna, Ya, Karmandya, functional organ, back, speech, functioning of Vishuddha chakra. Vishuddha chakra is the center of joy, of Atma, spirit or soul. Function of this chakra are self-respect, detached outlook and love toward humanity. It gives full control of our five senses organs. This is the site of Udan Vayu. Dysfunctioning Vishuddha Chakra when becomes abnormal, it produces dysfunctions of mental faculty and abnormalities due to vitiation, due to vitiated Udan Vayu. Remedy Anuloma Viloma Pranayam is useful in this condition. Number 6. Agga Chakra, Thalamus plexus, side, Thalamus. Dala, Agga Chakra is constituted by 2 dalas. Dalas and their association with Akshara or syllabus. Number 1. Hypothalamus, Ha. Number 2. Occipital, Kshiya. Panchavatik Tattva, Mahat. Tattva Bija, Om. Bijavahana, Nath. Bijadevata, Linga. Bijashakti, Hakini. Bijatantra, Lingakar. Phallic, image of Lord Shiva. Functioning of Agga Chakra. Agga Chakra is responsible for anger, irritation and ego. Dysfunctioning Agga Chakra when becomes abnormal, it produces our biggest enemy, Krodha or anger. And anger may cause cerebral stroke, which may cause even death. Remedy, practice of Shitali Pranayam may remove these abnormalities. In Muladhara Chakra, there are 4 dalas. Akshara, 4. Number 2, Sadhisthana Chakra, 6 dalas. Akshar 6. Number 3, Manipur Chakra, dalas 10, Akshar 10. Anahata Chakra, dalas 12, Akshara 12. Vishuddha Chakra, dala 16, Akshara 16. Agga Chakra, dala 2 and Akshara 2. Total dala 50 and Akshar 50. Controlling of mind and bio should be practiced for Tantric Yoga Sadhana. These are very essential because they have a great influence on the nervous system. Yogi when passes from Muladhara Chakra to Agga Chakra, step by step, through hard and steady practice of yoga, he can easily attain Sahasrara Chakra, where a Sahasrara or 1,000 of petals of lotus which are situated on the Brahmarandra of the head are waiting for him. The condition is called rising up of Kundalini Shakti, by which a yogi can attain moksha or sadhisthana, salvation, where there is no suffering of birth and death. According to Hindu mythology, Mahakali is the supreme authority of the Tantra Shastra because she controls Mahakala means infinite timer. Lord Rudra means Shiva. Thank you.